Hello, this is part 2 of my self-reflective journal report. Upon reviewing my previous video, I determined that I had not talked about everything that I want to talk about, namely the specifics of exactly what I learned in Java. The first video was more of a metacognition self-reflection on exactly my internal takeaway overall from this class, not necessarily reflecting any of the knowledge that I gained in terms of Java, more exploring the life-changing effect of an epiphany that I had about that this class is not necessarily about Java, that it's more about time management and learning to work in a corporate environment. For that video, there's, I believe that you have that link. So here I'd like to show a application that I built that I really wanted to be, I really wanted this application to be my self-reflective journal report, but as I mentioned in my previous video, I was woefully incompetent with my time, and as a result, I did not accomplish everything that I wanted to. So here we have a simple console application. I wanted to build this into a web application. This is basically version 1.0, where all of the concepts of this particular class could be demonstrated in a way that is visual, because most people are visual learners, and I wanted to potentially use this as a way to teach other people or in that sort of thing. So let's for instance choose Java collections. We're then shown another menu. Let's show a list demonstration. And so here we have a demonstration of a very basic concept of the Java collection of list. So here we create a new list. We populate a list with integers. By using the method get, we can access the list content by index reference. Index should have a value of 0, 1 of 1, so on, so 0 of 0. Lists, unlike set, allow for duplicate elements. So here we have a bunch of 25s at various indexes. And so basically, this is a first of like a demonstration of the various concepts, but not only a demonstration, also an explanation of the technologies behind it. And this program is available at my GitHub. I believe that I've sent it to you previously, but I'll link it again. And as I said, it's woefully incomplete. I wanted to demonstrate its functionality as it is now. Yeah, so again, so I have collections, threads, executors, runnables. I don't know how I was planning on showing in a program MVC. I think I was. This is more of a framework that I was going to apply towards a web application where you could click on MVC and see, oh, here's the graphical structure of how the model view controller framework works, and then oh, here's a demonstration of Hibernate. But it was just easier to expand. I think I should have worked on expanding my own understanding rather than attempting to expand the understanding of others. So yeah. So going through all of these collections. Oh man, there's even a spelling error. This is bad. Collections are a data type in Java that hold quantities of data. There are things such as lists, sets, maps, array lists, that sort of thing. Hash maps. Let's for instance show the tree demonstration. A tree is basically an associative data structure where we can show that there's inside of a menu there are appetizers, entrees, desserts, beverages, And inside of appetizers, we have soup, salad, potato fries, onion rings, hot wings, entrees, various things, desserts, various things, beverages, various things. And I think that this is where this is going back to a sort of a meta self-reflection. I think that this is where I kind of went into the weeds a little bit. I went too detailed on collections. I went too detailed onto various things because, like, this functionality is cool, but it wasn't necessarily relevant to the class, except for perhaps in terms of a final project or in terms of this self-reflective journal. So, continuing on with that point, I should have managed my time better. This is where my time went, basically, was building this fairly simple application, realizing that I needed to do more, and then radically changing strategy for the semester. I think that what I should have done was establish a concrete, good strategy at the beginning of the semester, stuck with that, and then I would have perhaps accomplished my goal of getting basic in all of the different topics, so that I then could work on this project and in its final form of being a web application using servlets and potentially Hibernate to interact with a database of some kind. But I messed up, and due to my incompetence, I was not able to do that. And I regret that, and I think that regret will cause me to learn to manage my time better and to conduct my workflow in a way that is productive and adult, I guess. Like, this class stretched me in ways that I did not think I could. I think that I have grown a lot as a result, but in terms of the coursework, I think that I fell short of my potential, again, due to my own incompetence. And I think that that's just me being honest with myself, I think. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching 2 different videos. And I apologize for the format. I should have thought this through a little bit better. Thank you.